Hello, today we are going with you to the park which is located in the center of St. Petersburg and is called New Holland. It was not difficult to find it, it was only difficult to find how to cross the road. I walked back and forth until I found an underpass. Yeah, this is the island. This is an island created by Peter the Great. Of course, I had a question, why is this place called New Holland? According to one version, this happened because the situation in the area where the Dutch shipbuilders invited by Peter worked foreign speech canals with drawbridges resembled Holland. Now it's just a place to relax. Everyone here is relaxed. There are a lot of greenery, what beautiful houses. In addition to the garden, there are also playgrounds, cafes, street food, a concert stage, shops, and much more.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you
Now we will go to the central place of this park, and there are also different cafes here, and we go inside.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
So I went inside, and on the first floor there are different cafes and bars where you can eat or drink. This place is called Trumachne, and I'm even not sure that you have this word in English like glass for strong alcohol. And now let's go to the second floor. We can see here, yeah, that's the map for first floor. We go to the second one. The second floor is the floor of cosmetics and clothing stores. I like how this floor looks like, and these green doors especially. Take a video of myself just in case, so you don't forget what I look like. Some brands are quite popular here, some are local. In St. Petersburg in general, you can buy a lot of interesting and high quality things, and most importantly, they will be extraordinary. The third floor isn't so interesting because there are, as I understood, like places where you can do sports. Guys, what do you think about this place? I really thought it was a bit different from other places in St. Petersburg, and you even feel like you are in Europe. What do you think? You write me about bicycles and scooters, and yeah, there are a lot of them here, and it seems that this is quite popular and, of course, very healthy. I start to understand these people who love Petersburg so much, because that's really so romantic, and the streets, they are amazing, and here all the people are so relaxed. The weather is great, sun, beautiful buildings, many shops. For me, like for girl, this place would be interesting because there you can have some shopping. I didn't do because I don't know what time is it. I don't need to come back home. So I stay here in St. Petersburg for 2 weeks, and then I think I will go to Sochi. So I have 2 weeks here.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.